Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to adjust the background color and position of closed captions, CC, in Storyline 360. Hi, I'm Joe, and today I'll guide you through the steps to customize the background color and position of closed captions in Storyline 360. This can enhance accessibility and improve the viewer's experience. First, let's open our Storyline project. Go to the Insert tab and select Video or Audio to add media to your slide. Once you have your media on the timeline, click on the Media file, which will take you to the Options tab to add or edit your closed captions. To add captions, click Add Captions. Here, you can either type the captions directly or import your caption file into the editor. This is how you need to type the captions manually. Ensure your captions are synced correctly with the media timeline. Now let's see how it works when you import the caption file from your local drive. Here is a preview of the updates you've made to the file so far. Now, to adjust the position of the closed captions, click on the player. You will see a Player Properties window. Then, click on Colors and Effects. Now you can see the properties related to the closed captions. Let's change the text and background color of the captions. Click on the color box to open the color picker. Choose a color that contrasts well with your media content for better readability. You also have the option to change the font. And size of your closed captions. To adjust the position of the closed captions on your screen, select your preferred position, either top or bottom for your captions. This is how the closed captions looks when you select the position as bottom, and this is how the closed captions looks when you select the position as top. Once you've adjusted the background color and position, it's important to preview your changes. Click on the Preview button to see how the captions look in your story file. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the captions are clear and accessible. Finally, don't forget to save your project. Thanks for watching.